Today, my mom will be rating my worst fidgets. Here's a mystery bag, so I have no idea. My mom chose these fidgets to rate them. We're starting with this homemade stress ball. Okay, let's see what we have next. I got this unicorn poppet. Let's hope we get something good. We got this green sparkly poppet. A couple more things in here. Let's choose. We got this banana stress ball. Here's the last thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Bye!